In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change camera in WWE 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to customize the camera view that you have in WWE 2K24. You will be able to customize this during a match, and it is going to give you a different view of the ring. So the camera can either be facing the ring or away from it, depending on the option that you have configured. So all that you have to do to change your camera is to actually get inside of a match. So instead of going over to the options beforehand, I highly recommend that you go into play and you do it inside of the ring. So choose the option to play, and inside of a certain match on the ring, you will be able to customize it. So choose play, and now you can set up any parameters that you'd like. It doesn't matter, you just need to go inside of a ring. So choose the type, rules, and arena, and then confirm to start. Once you go ahead, you assign any controllers as needed, and you go into the option to play, you will be able to pause the game at any point. So press the start button usually, and now you will find plenty of options. In here, go into the options themselves. So click on the options button here, and then choose presentation options. Finally, you will be able to find ramp camera available, so all that you have to do is change this option here. By changing ramp camera, like I mentioned, you will change the view that you have of the ring, so the camera is going to be positioned perpendicular or really close to the ring, allowing you to get a different view of the action. You can enable or disable this accordingly. All that you have to do is go over to inside of a ring, pause, go into the options, presentation options, and finally ramp camera. As soon as you change this option, you will be good to go and the new camera will be applied. If you don't like it, just set the option to off again and this is going to work flawlessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to change camera in WWE 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.